Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on your Pixel 10 Pro. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen. Then slide down again and you'll see all your controls. Now you should be able to find this button, this dot with a surrounding circle. But if you don't have it, don't worry, you can always add it by clicking on this pencil button. Click on it. Now you'll see all your menus, all your apps on the menu, stuff like that. Now, if you want to, I'll first remove my screen recorder by clicking on minus. Now, if I want to add it, I can find it first. It is gonna be in display section. Click on plus to add it. Now it is there. You can also move it somewhere. I think I'll move it to the very top. Feel free to also resize it if you want. I'll make it small. Then let's go back. And now you can see I have it right here. Now when I click on it, you can select whether you want to record one app or record the whole screen. I will select to record the whole screen. I can enable showing touches on the screen so it will display where I tap after it's recorded. I think I like it, so I'm gonna do it. And also you can record audio, and you can select whether you want to record device audio, like music, calls and ringtones, stuff like that. Microphone, which is gonna record your microphone, what you say basically, or device audio and microphone. I think I'm gonna use just the device audio, and let's enable it, then click on record screen. Now it's gonna count down from 3, and after that it starts recording. Now I can do whatever I want. I don't know if you can see it, but below my finger there's a little dot that appears and it indicates where I'm clicking. Now I can do like whatever I want. Let's close it, stop recording, and now if I go to Photos app, then the newest thing that I should have right here, let's go here, movies, and this is the newest one. You can see that it is there. There's this dot where I tap, right? If there was any sound in the video, then probably it'll also play that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.